High pressure, though, is basically the controlling influence on our weather right now. As we take a look at Futurecast, we'll see those temperatures only falling into the 80s by 9 o'clock tonight. It's going to be a very, very warm night tonight, especially in Boston, where we get down to about 76 by 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm stopping it here because we may, in fact, see some fog developing for parts of the Cape and almost a certainty down toward Nantucket, as the dew point is still sitting in the low 60s right now. Tomorrow, with more of a westerly wind, I would expect temperatures to soar pretty quickly. By 10 o'clock, more than likely in the middle 80s. No problems getting to 90 tomorrow at all. Matter of fact, some of you may make a run into the low to mid 90s once again tomorrow. We're still hanging on to 90 right now in Boston, 82 in Plymouth, but once you get south of Plymouth, if you're heading down Route 3, all of a sudden that car thermometer is going to start dropping on you because it is mighty cool, relatively speaking, down that way with temperatures in the 70s. The heat keeps coming at us right through the next couple of days. Doesn't look like there's any end in, well, I shouldn't say any end in sight. But for the next several days, we're going to be parked in this heat. Lows tonight, upper 60s, lower 70s. That's it. Air conditioner weather for sure. Tomorrow, let's tack on a couple more degrees. Low to mid 90s across the board, even down toward parts of the south coast. I suspect that the Cape will even have success in climbing into the 80s. And we'll start to add a little bit more of the humidity tomorrow and on into the day on Monday as well. I think Monday and Tuesday are tough days to take. We also have air quality alerts posted for the Cape and the islands and the south coast for tomorrow until 10 o'clock, or excuse me, 11 o'clock at night. Let me see if I can get you right to that 7-day forecast. There was that cell around Lawrence, by the way. One last look at it. Mid 90s tomorrow and Monday, low 90s on Tuesday, and Wednesday I'm being conservative, going 84. There's a possibility with more sunshine that we could make it into the upper 80s perhaps by the end of the day. But for now, let's be optimistic and say we're going to end the heat wave and we'll start to turn a little bit cooler as we step toward the end of next week. That is my forecast for now. I'm meteorologist AJ Burnett.